Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Today we're stuffing my personal binder. And this is from Budgets by Jada. It's so cute. And I made my envelopes. At first I had some darker cardstock, but I changed it. But we're gonna stuff it today, and I hope you guys would love to see that. And if you do want to see, stay tuned, and here we go. So today we're stuffing a total of $163. This is from winnings and leftover from my spending money on my wallet. So we're going to just divvy it up between my personal stuff. So, like I said, I love my binder. I've been here just looking at it. So weird, huh? So first thing we're stuffing is self-care. And it has nothing in there so far. So we're going to stuff $15 today. So we put in a 10 and a 5. So cool. I want to have my separate funds in case I need anything. Oops. Fun money has 30. And we're adding 20 today. So now fun money has 20, 40, 50. A tattoo has 70. And we're adding 20 to make it 90. So we have 50, 70, 80, 90. The fun money, 50 and 60 is already in the bank. My birthday is getting $5. This is for next year, June. So I have time to build it up. $5 is in the bank. That's what I used to open the account. Clothes is getting 10. Has nothing. The only thing I really needed this year is a jacket for the winter, and I already got that, so I don't really have anything to purchase. New phone. I want to change my phone next year sometime. We'll see. New phone is getting 20. Yes, 20 bill. And I messed up the breakdown for clothes, but we'll put that breakdown in something else. Emergency is $10, and that's 2 5s. Miscellaneous is getting 10, and we're gonna do the breakdown that we should have done for clothing. I'm gonna put 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's where my miscellaneous. I usually just keep some singles in my son's envelope because sometimes he asks me for singles just to buy a drink when he's going on the train. He hasn't asked me for a while, so maybe I should take my money. 3. So now he should have $8. I only made this envelope because I don't want him to be dipping in my funds. Card down payment has 1,100, and we put in the rest of the money, which is 20, 40, 50. So we have 1,150, 1,150. And I was trying to add, I have to add one more envelope for Candle Day at Bath and Body. And Candle Day came this year, and I was completely caught off guard because I didn't have a sinking fund for it. So I have to make a label for this so I can have this. But I love my binders so much, and the envelopes are not bad. I truly like them. So going forward, I'll be stuffing my personal binder by itself. All my money from my spending, from my wallet, from my personal spending will go to my wallet, and I will stuff it when it gets to a certain amount. So short video, hope you guys enjoyed, and my next video would be my second paycheck of December. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll come back and watch my journey for the new year. And if you like the video, thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.